This is Bob Gill from Control Engineering Asia. I'm here at Emerson Exchange 2008 in Washington, DC. I'm now here with Bob Karschnia from Emerson Process Management. Bob is the Vice President Wireless in the Rosemount division, and he's here talking to me about some of the developments Emerson is doing with wireless technology. So how many wireless installations do you have now using smart wireless around the world?
Yeah, well, of course, can't give you the exact details, yeah, sure. But I can tell you it's pretty close to the mid-hundreds. Now these are, sites around the world, and the number of instrumentation in each one of those is growing by the day. So that we have a pretty broad experience of getting this out.
Could you give us one or two highlights from those projects?
Sure. We've had some really great success with people using them for very innovative applications. There was a company here that we gave an award to called Crota Chemicals for the most innovative use of wireless technology. And what they did is they actually took wireless and applied it on a rail car system that allowed them to prevent operators from walking up and down the rail cars to take temperature measurements. They had some regulations that they needed to do this. This has helped them reduce their safety incidents in that plant significantly. Now that's a huge thing. Another great example was we gave another award to the best financial analysis basically on wireless, and this was a customer called CFE out of Mexico, where they actually use wireless to go in and do surveys of power plants and actually get them to be able to do their get their heat rates up. We have some specific details on this, but the savings that they had were huge. It allowed them to actually do 50 more surveys, if you will, of power plants a year as a result of wireless.
So have you been pleasantly surprised by the kind of applications you're seeing or are being developed by customers?
Of course, you go into this thinking that the A, B, and C are the right solutions, right? Because we had it all scoped out. I've been amazed at the broadness of the applications people have used wireless with.
Okay. So some real things you really didn't expect.
Oh, absolutely. That rail car is a great example. We've had examples across the board in just about every industry, whether either it's chemical, oil and refining, biopharmaceutical, power plants, mining, just places we had never, ever dreamed of.
So going forward, where can we expect to see wireless in the next 1 or 2 years?
I think over the next 1 or 2 years, we're going to see a broader deployment of wireless. I think it's going to kind of start coming into the mainstream. One of the biggest things that I think you'll see happen is wireless and greenfield projects, so kind of new capital projects. I expect that number to probably approach 20% of the instrumentation in those projects will probably go wireless here over the next 5 years. As a matter of fact, we have a short course here that will tell you in a specific example of a hydrotreater that we went back and did an analysis for a customer. We would recommend that you put wireless in 44% of those greenfield points. So I see the future exploding for wireless.
So presumably Emerson has its own product roadmap for the next few years on wireless.
Yeah, our product roadmap extends out for many years. I think you'll see a broadening of the product offering, better integration, targeted around ease of use. I think you're going to see Emerson will be recognized in the industry. Actually, I think we already are recognized in the industry as a leader for wireless, but I think what you're going to see is even a better capability over the years.
This is Bob Gill at Emerson Exchange. I've been talking to Bob Karschnia all about wireless technology.